Okay. Good luck, my friend. Okay, here the question goes. If you're given a chance to portray just one of these two famous characters, who would you choose and why? Lavinia Arguelles or Claudia Belvista?
It's quite a difficult question, and indeed it is payback time for you. Well, I would first like to take this wonderful opportunity for me to thank everybody behind the success of Mr. Gay World Philippines 2010, and I'm so honored to be here upstage with you guys, Madam Claudia and Ma'am Lavinia. Ma'am Lavinia. Now going back to the question, well, probably, I'll be choosing Madam Claudia. I'm so sorry, Ma'am Claudia. Because of all the soap operas, I've been a really big fan of Madam Claudia. And even my gay life, I would assume the role of being Madam Claudia to my friends also. And aside from that, Madam Claudia is, she has a role that assumes resiliency or how strong a person you are. And despite that, you can really get what you want if you dream about it. Thank you.
Guys,
Thank you so much. What year were you born?
1986.
Ay, kaya naman pala! Hindi pala nyo napanood ang gusto nyo lang ni. Sorry.
Hindi ako po magalala, Miss
Sorry,
Lavinia.
Miss Claudia just copied the empowerment
Pero
of
Miss
women.
Lavinia,
Diba,
sige, sige.
of women. And I started it before you were born. Thank you very much. Love you, people.